Here we can see the similarities and the differences between the Leo cube right here and the Raphael one. And one of the first things we should point out is there are some ways in which they will magnetize to each other like this, as you can see, but then in other directions they won't be magnetized. So this one like that, you can see works really well. And just take a look at that really cool and detailed artwork right there. And we can compare those as we rotate them around as well. You can see all the really cool images that they have on these, a nice little smirk on Leonardo's face like right there. Then they also have some similar panels like these ones right here with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem logo. And on the back we have the turtle power for Raphael's and we have the sewer cover for Leonardo's as well. Now they're both the same size cubes and they're both going to open up the same way as well, just by cracking them apart and getting them going into their rotational fun. Here's an example of the shape you can find with these. And here's another one right here. You can see some of the pictures on the inside of the Leonardo right here. For example, this is Splinter. We've got a TMNT logo, Leo with the lightning bolt fist, and some cool graffiti. And here's the Raphael one. Let's get this one open too. We find pizza on a stick, Team Turtles slogan. And if we look at this shape right here, we can even find our buddy Donatello. So you can spend your time finding all kinds of shapes with these and different images on them as you fold them around. Really cool and really awesome artwork on them.